Join me as I dive deep into the world of cannabis and challenge myself to find out if your favorite strain is just a stereotype. When we talk about cannabis, we often associate certain strains with specific traits or behaviors. There's the energetic sativa, the relaxing indica, and the balanced hybrid. But have you ever stopped to think if these associations are based on fact or fiction? Stereotypes within the cannabis community can be pretty prevalent. We often make assumptions about a strain based on its name, appearance, or even the type of high it's supposed to produce. But these assumptions can impact our perceptions and experiences, leading us to miss out on some amazing strains. For instance, some people might avoid a strain like Blue Dream because it's a sativa-dominant hybrid, assuming it'll make them too anxious or paranoid. But in reality, Blue Dream is known for its calming and uplifting effects. These stereotypes can also influence how we interact with other cannabis enthusiasts. We might judge someone's choice of strain or assume they're a certain type of person based on their preferences. But the truth is, cannabis is a highly personal experience, and what works for one person might not work for another. By buying into these stereotypes, we're closing ourselves off to new experiences and potential connections with others. It's time to challenge these stereotypes and explore the reality of cannabis strains. By doing so, we can open ourselves up to a world of new possibilities and connections. Take a strain like Sour Diesel, for example. It's often associated with a high-energy, motivational vibe, but is that really the case? While Sour Diesel can certainly provide an energizing effect, it's also known for its ability to reduce stress and anxiety. Then there's the classic strain, OG Kush, which is often seen as a heavy-hitting, sedative indica. But OG Kush can also provide a sense of euphoria and boost creativity. Another strain that often gets stereotyped is Jack Herer. It's known for its high THC content and is often assumed to be too potent for beginners. But in reality, Jack Herer is a well-balanced strain that provides a clear-headed, uplifting effect. It's even been used to treat anxiety and depression. But here's the thing, all of these stereotypes are based on individual experiences and may not hold true for everyone. And that's what makes it so important to challenge these assumptions and explore the reality of cannabis strains. By doing so, we can find the perfect strain that works for us, rather than relying on preconceived notions. Here's a shocking statistic: did you know that most cannabis strains are not genetically different from one another? In fact, a study found that over 90% of cannabis strains are genetically identical, despite their varying effects. This just goes to show that the stereotypes we associate with certain strains may not be as accurate as we think. It's time to rethink our assumptions about cannabis strains and explore the reality beyond the stereotypes. By doing so, we can open ourselves up to new experiences, connections, and a deeper understanding of this amazing plant. In conclusion, let's not judge a strain by its cover. Instead, let's dive deeper and explore the unique characteristics of each strain. And who knows, we might just find a new favorite. So, what's your favorite cannabis strain? Share it with us in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about cannabis culture, be sure to check out our other video on the history of cannabis. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.